The secret battle inside your mouth. Did you know your teeth are constantly fighting each other every single day? It sounds strange, but inside your mouth, your teeth are locked in a slow, invisible tug of war. They wear down bit by bit, then rebuild themselves, all without you even noticing. This surprising battle keeps your teeth sharp and perfectly aligned, quietly working to protect your smile every moment. What causes teeth to fight each other? Every time you chew your food, talk, or even swallow, your teeth come into contact with one another. They touch, press, and sometimes grind against each other. This constant contact creates pressure between opposing teeth, starting a subtle fight. Over time, this pressure causes the surfaces of your teeth to wear down gradually, like a slow-motion battle that keeps going day after day. How teeth wear down over time. Your teeth are covered with enamel, the hardest substance in your body. This protective outer layer shields your teeth, but even enamel isn't invincible. With daily use, enamel slowly wears away over many years. Some habits, like grinding your teeth at night or eating acidic foods, can speed up this wear. But a little bit of enamel erosion is completely normal and part of this ongoing battle happening inside your mouth. The body's amazing repair system. Here's where it gets really fascinating. Beneath the enamel is dentin, a layer that can respond to wear by getting stronger. Your saliva plays a crucial role too. It helps protect your teeth and even rebuilds tiny parts of enamel through a process called remineralization. Inside your teeth, special cells can repair small damages, keeping your teeth healthy and functional. So while your teeth are slowly wearing down, your body is quietly fixing them, balancing the fight. Why this tug of war is important for your smile. This constant cycle of wear and repair is actually really good for your teeth. It helps maintain the perfect shape and sharpness your teeth need to bite and chew effectively. Plus, the pressure from opposing teeth pressing against each other helps keep your teeth aligned and prevents them from shifting out of place. But if this balance is thrown off, say from too much grinding or poor dental care, it can lead to problems like misaligned teeth or excessive wear. Conclusion: the hidden battle you never knew about. So, next time you smile, remember there's an incredible, invisible tug of war happening inside your mouth every day. Your teeth are slowly wearing down and rebuilding themselves in a natural, vital process that keeps your smile sharp, healthy, and perfectly aligned. Taking good care of your teeth supports this amazing balance, helping you keep that secret battle going strong for years to come.